So today's job is dismantle of this ash, multiple codominant stems, and you can see it's torn out pretty badly. Decay in there as well, wood softening decay. See how that one's torn, it's over there. Dismantling this side. Extends out over there. We've got to avoid damaging the fence or the shed there. And so because this is so compromised, such a cavity in there as well, I've installed a line in this tree, a remote anchor high up, and that way if this fails while I'm on it, I can just swing off to safety. So I've got my remote anchor there. I'm attached now to near the top, about to set the rigging up. Got my gloves to get rid of. Good catch. So I've got the block pulley here, running the rope over the back of this ash to improve the angle of pull. I'm going to start rigging this stuff down. My lanyard in here, remote anchor up there, in case I have to swing off if this stem fails. Nice big swing into the forest. So we've pretty much finished that stem. I've left my climbing anchor in there, the rigging point as well, but I've got a backup anchor still in that healthy ash behind. And now I'm going to set a rigging redirect up in there and rig that lot down.
So much wobble on it. It's hard to snap it off. Okay. Let's just hold him fire anyway.
So coffees have just come out. Jogging down this one. And that one to finish. You can just about see the split down there.
Going. Yeah, it went before. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks. It's really teetering and there's so little effort to
Yeah.
brake.
Going.
And that's it. See how much decay there was in there.
I mean, this sawdust never going to clean up, are you? I mean, is he fussed about all this little stuff?
Send him a video now.
There we go, all done.